Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another one of my videos. So in today's video, it's gonna be another girls talk, I guess, or like TMI videos. I really want to show you guys the Ziggy Cup, or this is more like a disc instead of a cup, but I already have two videos on menstrual cups. The first one was like my first initial thoughts about the menstrual cup, how I used it, what I thought, and then my second video was comparing two different menstrual cup brands and which one was the best or which one I felt that it was more comfortable. And now this video, I really want to tell you guys about the Ziggy Cup. This is from the brand Intimina, and I decided to try their disc or Ziggy Cup 2. They already have another version. This is the number 2, which they totally improved it, and I want to tell you guys all about it, my thoughts and like recommendations and all of that, and the difference of wearing this kind of cups compared to the regular ones that we see out there. And keep on watching, and if you're not following me on social media yet, I'll give you all the links down below in the description box, and also if you're not subscribed, don't forget that you can do so by clicking on the button down below. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. So like I mentioned, this is the Ziggy Cup 2. It comes in two different sizes. I got the size A, which I honestly usually go for the small size on any cups and discs or whatever, just because I haven't given birth. And also if you have a lower cervix, you should go for the lower sizes. And it also depends on your flow. If you don't know your body that much, you would think that you have a really heavy flow, but sometimes you really don't, and that's what I realized by using this kind of cups and like getting to know my body a lot more. For this one, this is the size A, and it comes in this like light pink color. They also have a size B, and it comes more in like a fuchsia color. For the size A, again, it's if you have a lower cervix and if your flow is not too heavy. Also, if you're just starting to know about cups and trying them out, I would recommend this size just because it's smaller and it's easier to insert it and take it out, and like it doesn't feel too uncomfortable down there. What I really like about the Ziggy Cup 2 is that it is eco-friendly, it is vegan, and then this thing over here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is so thin, like petal thin, so it's not too uncomfortable to maneuver it and to work with it. And it does look like it's very resistant. I've used it once already and I loved it. The difference between the Ziggy Cup 1, if you already know it, and the Ziggy Cup 2 is that they have like this rim tab on the sides. And this is so that you don't have any leaks and it's better positioned. And it also has like a rib tab here in the front. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but to insert it, this is supposed to go on the front. And also when removing it, this is also easier to remove. Now the difference between a regular cup and Ziggy cups is that to insert it, like with the cups, you have to like maneuver them, and like there's like so many ways to fold them that you can even get confused. With a Ziggy cup, it's just like a tampon. You literally just fold it in half like that, and then you insert it. Again, the rib tab should be in the front, so you're gonna insert it like behind your cervix and towards your pubic bone. So when you insert it like this, then you push it with your finger just a little bit, go behind your pelvic bone, and then it gets positioned right there. It doesn't move at all, and it doesn't create a suction like other cups, but this one goes like, I feel like, a lot farther in, so it gets positioned really well, and it doesn't move at all. And then to take it out, you put your finger like this and like just grab it outside, and it is so simple, so easy. The only kind of downside about this, it's a little harder to avoid a mess when taking it out rather than the cups, because the cups you can literally just like pull them like that. With this one, you have to pull like this and then kind of like maneuver a little bit so that you don't spill any blood. When I use the Ziggy Cup, I can barely feel it. Since it's a little smaller and softer than regular cups, literally won't feel anything when you have it on. Because also other cups, they have like a stick that's sticking out, so you can feel it and it can be a little uncomfortable. And this one like is just all the way up there and you won't feel anything. Even if I'm on my period, I like to go to the gym because that kind of like gets my mind out of it, and like it makes me feel a little better with cramps and all of that. So I can use my Ziggy Cup, and I I feel so comfortable without any leaks. I also have used it when I go to my dance classes, and it is very, very comfortable. One thing that it's very similar with this one and other cups is the time that you can have it inside of you. For this one, you can have it in for up to 8 hours. So if you're going to work or going out for a long period of time, you don't have to worry about having to change or anything like that. You can just leave it in there and then change it when you get back home. You can have it inside for 8 hours, and this Ziggy Cup sells for about $40 to $44. You can buy it on their website. I'm gonna give you all links down below if you want to check it out. And I think you can also find it on Amazon. And you might think that it's a little expensive for the price, but it's really not. You usually spend a lot more on tampons and pads that will last up to 2 years. It's $40 that will last you for up to 2 years, and you can use it like as many times as you want. You just have to make sure to wash it and disinfect it after your cycle. And for that, I actually got a like vaporizer kind of thing on Amazon. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. So usually I wash it and then I put it in there like a steamer for it to disinfect and get rid of all bacteria. It works pretty well. I use it for this and all my other menstrual cups, so you can definitely check it out. I really recommend you guys to try this Ziggy Cup, especially if this is your first time trying any menstrual cup. This is a lot easier to maneuver with, to change it, and you really won't feel it at all. So if you're a beginner, if you want to try something like this, I would totally recommend you to go for this, just to start out. And also it helps you to know a lot more about your body, like knowing more about what's going on down there, and also about your flow. And it is really, really good. I don't think it should be a taboo to talk about periods and like the blood and all of that, so I would really recommend it. I wish I would have known about this when I had first started using menstrual cups. And also the nice thing about this is that it includes a bag that you can take with you whenever like you're traveling or if you're going camping. I don't know, like it's just really good like pouch that you can save it in. Also whenever you wash it and you're just waiting for your next cycle, you can just store it in there. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you have tried the Intimina Ziggy Cup too. I would like to know your opinion on this, and let me know if this is gonna be your first time trying it, and let me know how that goes. We can have a really nice girl talk. I love the Ziggy Cup too. I think I'm gonna keep using it. It's a lot easier and more comfortable than other ones. So yeah, I hope that you guys like this video, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Again, if you're not subscribed, please do so on the button down below. And I hope to see you on some more of my next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.